So one of the things that I can spend hours and hours doing is making tags, and these ones you will find inside your kit. I'm trying to use everything from the kit. So from the creative pack, I've taken a couple of things out so that I'm able to show you how I'm using the leftovers of these papers inside of this journal. So remember these 2 pages I had left over from the cover, right? I'm going to take these pages and use them to create a beautiful tag. Inside the pack was also a piece of cloth. I'm going to use that as well. So I just want to show you how quick and how easy you can start making these type of easy tags. So you're literally just going to need a glue stick or a Pritt. Let me just get mine. And paper. So the stress inks are optional. You don't have to, but once you start getting into journaling, you start to want to distress things a lot. So if that is your thing, you can go ahead. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add glue stick one, and then add my first piece of paper, right, and then my second piece of paper. So just adding glue stick again. And you can decide how you want to put that on. So that will be the back. We are going to cut that off. So it's really simple. So now I'm gonna go to the back and cut all those edges off. And as you know, tags can also be created for gifts. So there's a really nice tag. Then I just do those edges. And then I poke a hole, or make a hole, and that's where I now then insert my cloth. I keep on going off the camera. Apologies for that. So super easy. There you are. So that would be a tag, right? An example of a fold which I've given to you already would be this one, and I'm going to show you how to insert this into your journal as well. And now we already have some tuck spots which I will show now. Do you remember this page that we folded in? Super easy. All you're going to do now, you're just going to add glue on the edge, and that will close that up and have you a place to tuck into. And as you can see, words, so automatically that flow comes together. So what you're going to do on this side, you can take your same glue stick, just add some glue stick to the side, close it up, and it becomes a tuck spot. So what you can do now on the flip side is add this fold. So for the, what do we do with the folds, right? So I've shown you how to create a book, a tag. a tuck spot, and now to add the fold, right? So the fold, you can look for a place, and like I say, you don't have to work in sequence. You can just start anywhere. So as an example, this would really look nice there. So depending how you are going to use this, let's do it here in front. Let's work in sequence. Let's do something here. Even here on the corner, but let's do it someplace close by. So let's put it here in the corner, right? Depending what you want to use this for. So remember the freebie as well. It can also go in there. It can go in there. It can go in there. It can go in here. It can go into there. So you are creating a lot of spaces for you to be able to tuck in. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna glue. The more tuck spaces, the better for me. So I'm just gluing the edges. So I will put that in there. And then of course this piece here. And that you can put in there.